How do I create a tax ID number for my trust? Hi, my name is Mike Rutkowski, estate planning, asset protection, and probate attorney here at the Rutkowski Law Firm. What I'm going to do is I'm going to share my screen and walk you through step by step what you need to click on, what information you need to put there, and I'll start from just the Google screen. We'll start how do you get to the right website. So let me just share my screen. Let's get a Google. Okay, perfect. So we start at the Google screen. So let's go IRS tax ID number. Let's see if that gets us where we need to go. Okay, perfect. Well, so first you need to look at, you're going to be served a bunch of ads for other people wanting them to do it for you. You don't need to do that. We can just go right down here to irs.gov, make sure it's the actual IRS website. From here, we need to find where do we file for that number. So we're on the right screen. Let's see. Trust in the States. Okay, EIN 10. Okay, perfect. Let's see. Now it looks like it's moved, so I just want to make sure that we're in the right spot. But I think, yeah, let's go here. There we go. Next, we're going to go apply for an EIN online. And you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to take this link and I'm going to post it below so that way you just have it. But we're going to click apply for EIN. Okay, perfect. Next, we're going to go apply now. And now we have a lot of questions that we have to answer. So let's begin that application. First important part is that we're doing this for a trust. So we're going to click this button right here that it's a trust. Most times we're doing this for an irrevocable trust. So we'll go down that road, but essentially it can be, there's very few times you're ever going to do it for a revocable trust during someone's lifetime. This would be after someone passes away, you'd click revocable trust. But for these purposes, we're going to go irrevocable trust. Hit continue. Hit continue. Okay, so I'm going to put in my information because I know that the social security number needs to match the person's info. So it'll be blurred out, but you get what needs to happen here. So there's my information. I'm going to put in my social security number because I'm the responsible party. I'm the trustee, the responsible party. And it's not, don't worry about this. It's not filing under section 645. Hit continue. Okay, it's asking me information about the trustee. I am the trustee, so I'm going to mark that box right there. Keep going. Okay, the mailing address. We're going to use my address. Again, it's all going to be blurred out, but you get the idea. Put in your address. Okay, got all that in. We don't have one different than above. Hit OK. Accept the database version of it. Put in the name of the trust. Now this sometimes need to be shortened. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put in my last name, irrevocable. And so instead of typing out irrevocable, we're just going to put IRB trust. And then select when the date was, when it was originally set up and funded. So we're going to just hit January of 2020. I'm just making this up. Now, a lot of times we need to put the date the trust was created is usually part of the name. So if that's the case, we can even shorten this further and then put UAD. That stands for under agreement dated, and we'll call it let's see, 1 of 20, because it matches when it was created below. Continue. Do you have any employees? No, it's a trust. Continue. Okay, and now here's where I can't go any farther, but here's a really important part. You want to receive this letter online. Doing this will immediately give you a pop-up that will give you the EIN number. If you don't do this and you click on the receive letter by mail, it's going to be 4 weeks before you can do anything. So just make sure you click that, click continue, and you'll be all set.